In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox no sound issue on Windows 10 or 11. Without further ado, the first fix is to turn up the volume for Roblox. Right-click on the speaker icon on your taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Ensure that the Roblox is not muted and adjust volume it's 100%. 2. Check Roblox settings. Launch the Roblox and enter the game where you're experiencing the audio issue. Click on the Roblox logo icon in the top left corner and navigate to the settings. And confirm that the audio is enabled and the volume is adequate. 3. Set your output device. Right-click on the speaker icon on your taskbar and choose Open Sound Settings. Under Output, select your preferred speaker or audio device. Double-check the output device settings for Roblox in the App, Volume and Device Preferences section. 4. Update your audio driver. Outdated or faulty audio drivers could be causing no sound issue. Manually update your audio driver via the device manager. Just go there and locate your audio driver, right-click on it, and then click Update Driver. 5. Configure the audio channel for your system. Press the Windows +R key to open the Run dialog and then type Control Panel. Select Sound and navigate to the Playback tab. Choose Speakers and click Configure to set the audio channel to stereo. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. I hope your sound fix is now available on Roblox. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.